So this is a supine 90-90 hip shift exercise inspired by the Posture Restoration Institute. The cues are modified for the intention of this exercise. You're going to get your ankle, knees, and hip at 90 degrees, feet on a wall, or a coffee table or a chair. Whenever you're ready, you're going to pull or drive the foot down towards the floor without moving the feet. So you get your hamstrings to peel the pelvis or sit bones off the ground. Just a little bit, so it's a rotation. Whenever you're ready, your right thigh is going to push into the ball, and you're going to suck that hip in towards the ground. At this time, most of your weight's going to be on that right leg, so the right hamstrings and right groin is working. So this is a different angle. You're going to start pressing the right thigh into the ball that you have in between your knees. You're going to start pulling it in towards your hip socket. Notice the left knee is higher than the right knee, which makes it the hip shift. Once you are in this position, note what you feel. Hopefully you feel more right hamstrings and right adductors or right groin. And then start breathing 2 to 3 breaths while holding that position. Once you did that, now switch and do the left side. So now more the weight's on the left leg. Press the left thigh into the left ball and suck the hip in on the left side. And when you hold on to that position, just breathe in and out, 2 to 3 breaths again. All right. Thank you for trying. Thank you for watching.